and welcome to Natural and Simple channel. Today we are going to show you how to be beautiful hair. DIY hair masks that will actually work for dry hair. If your hair is feeling and looking a little parched, try this honey, egg and apple cider vinegar mask. It is a great hydrating treatment that provides shining nourishes without weighing down strands. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Egg contained rich in the protein and iodine, eggs can provide the much needed nourishment and luster you want in damaged tresses. Eggs also prevent hair breakage by conditioning the scalp and increases hair growth too. Fret not. These egg hair masks will keep all your hair-related problems at bay. Science supports the use of apple cider vinegar as a hair rinse. It could help strengthen hair and improve luster by lowering hair and scalp pH. It may also keep pesky scalp infections and itchiness at bay. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, Directions: combine in a small bowl. You can double or half the recipe, depending on your hair's length. Apply and leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing. This nourishing treatment works on all hair types. You will get beautiful hair from an irritated scalp, to dull hair, to damage and dryness. Shiny, lustrous hair is only a mask away, and you never even have to leave the house. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We will see you in next video.